Is the iPhone unlock toggle grayed out in your Face ID settings? This usually happens due to system restrictions, incorrect settings, or Face ID misconfigurations. But no need to worry. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check out this quick setting. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Accessibility, scroll down, tap Face ID and Attention. Just enable Require Attention for Face ID, Attention-Aware features. Also enable Haptic on successful authentication. If these options are already enabled, then turn these off and then turn it back on again. If these options are not available here, then go run a hardware test for your Face ID. Solution 2. Reset Face ID. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter passcode, scroll down and tap Reset Face ID. After resetting, tap Set up Face ID and follow the prompts to set it up again. This can help fix any recognition issues that may have developed. Solution 3. Check for screen time or restrictions. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If restrictions are enabled, check under Allowed Apps to ensure Face ID is not restricted. If any restriction is applied to Face ID, disable it and try again. Solution 4. Update and give or reset all settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Go to General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new software update, then update it. If there is no software update, then go back. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and choose Reset All Settings. This won't delete your data but will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords. By using these steps, you should be able to fix the issue where the iPhone unlock toggle is grayed out in the Face ID settings. Once it's resolved, you will be able to unlock your device with Face ID again without any trouble. If this guide helps you, let me know in the comments, and if you still have any questions, feel free to ask.